Hey, I'm Tom Peacock. I'm from First Horizon Bank in Memphis, Tennessee. I am the Operations Reconcilement Manager. So some of the challenges we were facing, we were doing a very manual process using spreadsheets, downloading data, manipulating the data to put into the recons, then having to do sorts and filters and, formulas. So it was very labor intensive just getting to the actual recon that we're trying to recon for today. So when we were looking for a solution, we wanted something that would be very automated. We wanted something that would have an audit trail. We were looking for something that was quite configurable and quite flexible. We had many different data sources, so we knew we needed that flexibility. So that's where Trintech really came to the front for us. So the implementation process for us was great. Our financial services consultant was really good. He walked us through how to set up the reconcilements. He made sure that we understood the theory and how things would flow and work. And he was there to help us set up the initial reconcilements. Then once we were on our own, he was still there to help us through any questions we could call, we could respond. So it was a really, really great process. And this was a difficult time because it was over COVID. So we did a lot of it over the phone, which was challenging, but it was really, really good, very helpful. And we really understand how the system worked, and we were able to move forward quite quickly with our implementation. Since implementing Frontier, our team has changed its daily routine. Now, when they come in the morning, the recons are ready to go, so they don't spend all their time doing downloads, manipulating data. So that's great. That also helps getting the exceptions out to our partners so they can start their research earlier in the day, so items get resolved quicker. We're saving a lot of time with the automation. So that's really been the big lift for us. One of the other benefits of the Trintech solution is that we let our audit partners into the system so they can self-serve. So we're not spending a lot of time downloading and PDFing and emailing all the reports to our audit teams. So the Trintech support is fantastic, very responsive. They've got a very good knowledge base. Issues get resolved very, very quickly, and they're always able to help move Trintech journey forward.